Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the tax calculation methods and separate tax of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. Tax calculation method is a new feature that comes on basic settings. On the tax calculation method, you get two options. One is calculate tax before discounts and fees, and another is calculate tax after discounts and fees. If you select calculate tax before discounts and fees, then it calculates the tax based on the subtotal of the purchase. Discounts and fees will be added after the tax calculation. Or, if you select calculate tax after discounts and fees, then first it calculates the subtotal including any discounts and fees, and then it applies the tax based on the discounted price. Now we select calculate tax before discounts and fees. Now go to pause and select any product for calculating tax before discounts and fees. Here we see that it adds the tax of the subtotal, then it calculates the discount and fee and makes a grand total. Now go to the admin panel and change the tax calculation method to calculate tax after discounts and fees. On pause, select the previous product, and we can see that first it calculates the discount and fee of the subtotal, then adds the tax of the subtotal and makes a grand total. Under the Print Settings tabs, we have various options. From there we have Item Details option. Here we get an option named Separate Tax. If you enable this, then your tax will be displayed separate, otherwise it will show the total amount of the tax. That concludes our overview of the tax calculation methods and separate tax of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.